welcome to Gordon Guitar, Cuco and Adriel Favela featuring KACEY Musgraves. This one is Sitting in the Corner, like I always do here in Gordon Guitar, in the corner with my guitar, and feel very lonely. No, I'm not. But yeah, anyway, let's see. We have only 2 chords in the song. It's great, and we have different ways to handle these chords, very easy. So let's start. No need for any capo. So we have D minor first, so that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. And the 2nd and last chord will be C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Yeah. So let's see and look at the main strumming. D minor is the first chord, and one strumming round will be down, up, clap, up. Okay, so down, up, clap, up is one round. So we're gonna play 4 rounds of D minor and alternate that with 4 rounds of C. So down, up, clap, up is one round. Times 4. And C. And when you do the ups, I recommend that you're not playing full upstroke like that. It will be too much sound, so I just kind of turn up like this, hit the top notes, top strings, E and B perhaps or so. Nothing is really calculated, it's just a turn up like this. You snap it on the way up and play more on the down, so like this. Alright, so you're gonna play D minor 4, C4, D minor 4, and C4. Then about 45 seconds into the song, you're gonna play D minor 2 times down, so, and the same for C, 2 times down. Okay, and then after that you continue with the standard strumming until 2 minutes and 15 seconds into the song. Still the same chords, D minor 4, C4. Now we have a different strumming pattern. Okay, so one round now for D minor will be down, down, down. Okay, so I have 1 down, and you play that one more on the bass strings, and the next 2 downs after a short break will be more on the top strings. So one round will be like this. Alright, so bass, top, top, bass, top, top, bass, top, top, bass, top, top. That's 4 times on D minor, and then 4 times on C. Same pattern. Bass, top, top, and 4th. And back again. And 4 on D minor, and now 4 on C. Alright, so after this D minor, C, 4 times per chord of the strumming pattern, you go back again and play the standard strumming, down, up, clap, up, and then you play the outro about 3 minutes and 28 seconds. The last part of the song, you go back to this down, 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 with the bass, top, top, bass, top, top, and play D minor 4 and C4 times 2. So 2 rounds of that, and that pretty much wraps it up for the song called Sitting in the Corner. Very, very easy song to play, and yeah, 2 chords only. Give it a try, play tuned.